Over the last couple of years, me and my team have probably looked at just about every piece of software out there for this industry. If it was on the internet, we've probably demoed it, or at least looked into it. And there's a lot of good software out there. We use quite a bit of it ourselves in our tech stack. Stuff for quoting, CRM, ordering, all that. But what we kept noticing was that most of those tools start later in the process. They pick things up somewhere down the value chain. What stood out about FSS is that it actually starts where the work really begins, the consultation. That moment when you're walking through the house, moving room to room, measuring windows, taking notes, snapping pictures, keeping everything organized. That's the part nobody had really solved yet, and that's exactly where your system fits in. Being able to capture everything right there in the field, measurements, notes, photos, and keep it organized as you go, that's huge. And then the connectivity piece is what really got our attention. You can just see where this is going. As more partners come on board, CPQs, vendor integrations, all that front-end data starting to move further down the value chain automatically. That's where the real automation in this industry starts to happen. So yeah, we're really excited about what we've seen so far. And honestly, Nathan, talking with you about where this is headed, it feels like this is just the beginning. I think we're going to see a lot more iteration and growth as this keeps developing. And that's pretty exciting for the industry.